never ever need you in this world. My life will never be the same. But all I need is just munching noises for my son, just for fame. And there is nobody to blame except for the creator of this stupid video. And why does the video even exist in the first place? I don't freaking know, bro. Something love. Something life. Something boyfriend. I don't even know. Something ordinary stuff. Something, whatever the heck I'm saying. But this song will never ever be popular.